Hi, I'm Craig Taylor, Implementation Manager at Smith Cooper System Partners. Today I'm going to show you our brand new customer portal created with Draycir Spindle Self-Serve. This portal fully links with our internal Sage 200 system, and so you as a customer will get full access to your account with us. Now firstly, we will be sending out links to the following login page. Before logging in for the first time, you must register. You can do this by clicking the following click here to register link, which will take you to the following registration page. Here you fill in all your details, including an email and password to access. Once the account's created, it will be authorised by Smith Cooper and you'll be notified by an email. So let's log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard page. If you have access to more than one account, there will be a drop down on the right hand side which will allow you to switch between your accounts. Now our portal's set up to give you access to the dashboard, invoices section and a document section. The dashboard is basically a summary overview of your account with us. On the left hand side you've got some details like your account reference, if you've got a credit limit, what your current balance is, that sort of thing. We've also got a summarised section for invoices showing you how many and the total value that are in terms, overdue or in query. The top section gives you the last 5 transactions for your account, broken down into different details about the status, the type of transaction, document numbering, due date, the total value and the outstanding value. Where available, you've also got access to a PDF copy of the transaction. The middle and bottom sections give you a brief summary of recent orders. You've got a graphical representation and the last 5 orders you've placed with us. If we go to the invoicing tab, this gives you, first of all, in the top section, an invoice history, which is a graphical representation of your invoice. The drop-down box here allows you to choose different time periods based on years and months. You can select the key options to enable and disable parts of the graph. You can also hover your mouse over the different data points, which will give you exactly the net worth of the invoices during that period. The main part of the screen gives you full information on every transaction that you've had with us since your account was first created. We can filter between those which are outstanding or everything using the tick box here. We can also filter the details on display using any of the column headers. So we can filter by status, maybe you only want to see completed or overdue items, different types of transaction, maybe you want to search for a particular document number based on either our invoice number or your own reference. You can search by due date and date, either by typing in a date or choosing from a calendar. We can also filter by value of the invoice or transaction or the outstanding value of the transaction. You can also filter the amount of transactions on display at the bottom. Maybe you want only to display a particular number of transactions per page. Maybe I only want to choose 10. If I click change, that will display 10 and you can see it's broken out into different number of pages, which I can now simply arrow across. If available, you can also access a PDF copy of the transaction. Simply select the PDF icon and this will download a copy directly to your own machine. This will negate the need to phone up or email in requesting a copy of an invoice. Another great feature is if you have an invoice query or a query against a particular transaction, you can select the envelope icon and enter details of your query. Enter details into the inquiry box and then click send. When you click send, an email will be sent directly to our finance team. They can respond in a similar way, and as you can see, there's a full history of all message and correspondence. On the right hand side, you'll also be able to access any statements of account which we've sent. Then you can filter by date and you would also get access to PDF copies where available. The final tab is the documents tab. This gives you a full listing of all documents which we've sent. You can filter the details by document type, file format, or by particular dates. You can also search from the listing via a particular reference or second reference. And once again, you can also download PDF copies where these are available. Okay, that completes this video. Now, as well as registering to use our portal, if you are interested in having your own portal for your business, then please do contact us for more details.